Today is a very special day, 4:52 p.m. about evening, the time between Asr and Maghrib prayer according to Islam. Right now, what happened is Allah suddenly transformed the weather from cold to from hot to cold. Throughout the day, the people of the Lahore experienced very extreme hot. Media people claimed on 17th September that there will be increased heat for the next 3 days. But what happened when they claimed about that? Yesterday Allah transformed the weather and brought the raining when I came on the roof, and today Allah transformed the hot weather into cold when I came on the roof. This is what you are witnessing right now. This is the practical evidence and proof that this weather and universe is under control of only one creator. He is Allah, the Lord of all the worlds. And He supports me when I am preaching and telling people about Islam, that this is the only true religion of the entire universe. Yes, because the creator of universe is Allah, His religion is Islam. All the other religions are false and fabricated, because they teach people to worship fabricated gods and false things. Like you see the tree, this is the tree created by Allah, and Allah transformed that tree into His own name. This is practical proof that Allah is the originator of the tree from the earth, because He created and transformed into His name. No one else could do this against Allah. So what you are witnessing today, the air, this environment is evidence that I am making you a witness through my camera. And they claimed for the next 3 days, Allah demolished their claims. And Allah proved that people who study science, they have no true knowledge about the universe, and they have no true knowledge about the system of the universe. You see this, Allah originated these different kinds of plants and grass without any seed. I did not put any seed in this. Allah originated this. There was some work at the home regarding the solar system. You see that because of the solar system, some workers came and they did some work. Then these stones and this stuff was thrown here. From that time, you can see the evidence of some stuff. It is more than 3 or 4 months. So what Allah did, He brought different kind of various kind of plants and this kind of grass, even flowers. Now you can see that. And if I show you that place, the large one and the small one. Now the question is, how did He do that without any seed? I did not put any seed in this place. There was nothing. So how is it possible without any creator? If I did not put any seed, how without seed these different things can originate from the dead land? Because Allah claimed in the Quran that He brings the dead earth into life through the water from the sky. So the water that Allah rained through the sky, here He did it, and no one else is there, because I have shown you the name of Allah in the tree, but not this. The name of Allah also appear in the sky. Right before this video, Allah demonstrated His name right there with a very special effect of white and black clouds, and in between the name of Allah was there. I will show the evidence. And not only this, one time Allah has shown me His name on this place so many times by clearly writing His name largely in the Arabic name, and in so many places there Allah had shown me His name on this place, and that place Allah shown me the name of the last Prophet Muhammad. Why I am making this video is to make you a witness of this event, what happened. And they were claiming about the 11th monsoon spell is coming in Lahore city, 11th in Punjab. Okay, but 11th monsoon spell did not come. Allah proved them wrong, and Allah brought a flood in the Pakistan for the last 2 months. They were claiming them also as monsoon spell, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10, but none of them was monsoon spell. They were floods and raining and cloud burst, etc. Whatever they claim, they were done by Allah intentionally to punish the people of the Pakistan because of their arrogance, because of their sins, because of their betrayers with Allah. And whatever happening in the world, yes, let me tell you, whatever happening in the world, in any city of the world, where people are being destroyed through a storm, through lightning strike, through raining, through flood, through earthquake, whatever, that is done by Allah. Allah is doing it. This is the reason the fabricated gods of non-Muslims are unable to stop Allah. Now think wisely, if there are other gods in the universe, why they are not showing their power against Allah? Why they are unable to stop a thunderstorm or earthquake or these kind of things? Allah originates, starts, and Allah stops. He does it by His own will. If He wants to start, He does it. If He wants to end, He ends it. So do you think with your brain and common sense, if you're Jesus, if you're Ram, Krishna, Vishnu, Hanuman, Zeus, Thor, Yahweh, if you are Muslim, right? But if you are a Muslim, it's okay. By the way, this video is not for Muslims. It is for non-Muslims. So if you are a non-Muslim and you worship whatsoever beside Allah, why your gods are unable to stop Allah if they exist? Why they could not stop Allah from originating this tree and transforming this into His name? Because your fabricated gods, which were told to your parents, and your parents told you, and your religious teachers and public society people told you, they are liars. They fooled you since your childhood. They told you fake stories. Allah is the king of universe. Allah creates the clouds. Allah transforms the weathers. Allah brings the raining. Allah originates the fruits and stuff that you eat. Allah gives you water that you drink. Then why are you worshipping false gods? Why do you want to go to hellfire forever? Why do you want to burn your body and in the punishment? Why do you want to end up in the jail of Allah? Why you want to be tortured by the angels of punishment which Allah has prepared for disbelievers? Think about this. Come out from the darkness. Come to Islam. This is the true religion. Stop worshipping false gods. Do not worship false gods. Accept the truth of last Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him. This is the ultimate truth. Your atheists, Christians, Hindus, Jews, Sikhs, Satanism, spiritualism type people who do not follow any religion, and atheism, whatsoever they are, even scientism, those people who say, even naturalism people who say nature itself is a god, there is no god, but this is a god by himself and it creates whatsoever. No, the nature is not God. If nature is God, nature should not resemble into name of Allah. It should resemble into a name of any god, into name of multiple gods, but it does not happen because this is being controlled by Allah. So will you accept Islam and enter in it? If yes, then watch my video and enter in Islam today. Save yourself from the death of humiliation that will end up you in the pain forever. And if you enter in Islam, you will be in the blessings gardens with the lightnings and foods, luxurious items, branded, heaven branded items, and a very special life, peaceful life that you will not have in this world. But only if you will be a Muslim, practical Muslim, good Muslim, and you remain on faith until you departed from this world, when the time will come of your life end, just like everyone else will die by the command of Allah. So before your time comes, come to Islam. Look at this once again. This is amazing. That when I came on the roof, the hot weather transformed into cold weather. Wow. Cold weather in the hot season. Allahu Akbar. Thank you, Allah. Thank you so much. It is my habit when the time is becoming towards more than 9 minutes, I make it complete to 10 minutes because my dual camera has a maximum limit of 10. I prefer to keep it on the 10 maximum. Even if I need to edit this, no problem. So this is not a coincidence that when I came on roof yesterday, the raining came and hot weather suddenly transformed. When I came today on roof, the hot weather suddenly transformed into cold weather, and again the name of Allah appeared yesterday, the name of Allah appeared today. Obviously, because Allah is doing it, and He is showing these signs that if I am talking about Allah, if I am calling you toward Allah, He is true God, not false.